Hello 2T1. Now for today's lesson, we'll be doing Worksheet 9.1 Road Traffic. This animation emphasizes the importance of road safety to students. The animation shows the traffic on a typical road in Singapore. We will need to do the following first. We will need to import two backgrounds. The first is shown here. The second one is shown below. We will then need to use the Scratch software to type in the text road traffic in Singapore. Next, we will need to import four characters: red car, bus, blue car, and pink car. Now using the software, we will need to create scripts showing the behaviors of these four characters as well as the behaviors of the background. So let's start. Click on Programs to go to the Scratch software. Alright, cut away the character. So the first thing we need to do is we need to import the background. So remember, this is a place for importing the background. This is a place for importing the character or the sprites. So we'll need to import the first background. So go to PS9. Under Students, I'll import this first background, road traffic. Once I've done that, I can delete this and I can import the second background, night scene. Okay, once you have done this, you need to type in the text road traffic in Singapore. But you notice that there's some white space here, so we need to enlarge this background. So I'm going to select this background. Right, I'm going to enlarge it. After which, I'll need to type in the text road traffic in Singapore as shown over here. Road traffic in Singapore. So go back to the Scratch software. Now I'm going to click on the text tool. I'm going to choose the red color font and I'll type in road traffic in Singapore. I'm going to click on the select tool and I'm going to increase the font, increase the size of the text and adjust it accordingly. Once you have done that, proceed to save your work. So we'll follow the instructions here. We'll save it as Worksheet 9.1 Road Traffic. So go to the Scratch software, go to File, Save As, go to your thumb drive, under Work to Submit. So remember to save it under Work to Submit. I'm going to save it as Worksheet 9.1 Road Traffic. Next, right, we will proceed to import the four characters, which are red car, bus, blue car, and pink car. So moving back to Scratch, right, we'll import the four characters. Go to your thumb drive. Under PS9, I'm going to import the red car, Okay, I'm going to import the bus. Right, you can resize this bus when it appears too big. Import the blue car. Again, resize it. And lastly, import the pink car. So these are the 4 characters. Next, we'll proceed to do some scripting. So as you can see over here, we are to use the scripts to show the behaviors of the background and sprites. Now it says that the background starts with this background road, and then it changes to night scene. Okay, so you may want to change the name of this background. Alright, change this to road. Alright, my name is road traffic. I'm going to change this to road. So we're going to proceed to do some scripts for the background first. So currently this interface is on the background. So we're going to proceed to do scripts for the background. So it says that the behavior of red car appears 2 seconds after the animation starts. So it means that when the green flag is clicked, under looks, you'll switch to background road. Right? After which, you'll wait for 2 seconds. Alright, and you'll switch to background night scene. Now the behavior of the red car is such that it appears 2 seconds after the animation starts at location -190 -60. The red car moves towards the right all the time, and you'll go back to the original location of -190 -60 whenever it touches the edge and starts moving again. So go to Scratch. The first thing we need to do is we need to remove the white portions here. So go to Costume, click on the Fill tool, click on this red stroke, alright, and click on the white portions to make it transparent. After which, we will now proceed to do the scripting. So you must always start with when green flag is clicked. Now, when green flag is clicked, you will show the background road. So I will want this red car to hide first. Alright, and you then wait for 2 seconds. After which, I want the red car to show, and I want it to go to this position, -190 -60. Okay, now the red car will be moving, alright, from left to right continuously. So it means that we need to use the forever loop. The red car will then move 10 steps. Okay, and wait 0.1. Okay, and if the red car touches the edge, what will happen? Okay, so we'll add in this. If it touches the edge, it will move back to this position again. So under sensing, if touching the edge, so change the mouse pointer to edge, it will go back to that position. So duplicate this and put it inside. So now when I run the script, when I click on green flag, okay, the red car currently hides. Okay, when it touches the edge, it will go back to the left again. Okay, now in terms of position, you can see that the red car is not really on the road. So you may want to change the position of the Y. Alright, instead of -60, you can adjust this to say -50. So now when I click on a green flag, okay, you wait for 2 seconds. Alright, okay, this looks very much better. Now let's look at the script for the bus. Okay, the behavior of the bars appears at the same time as the first card at -170 -15, moves the same way as the card but in a slower pace. Okay, appears the same time as the first card but at a different location. Alright, and it moves at a slower pace. So in Scratch, click on the bars. Alright, we'll be doing the same thing. Go to costume, click on the fill with color, tool, click on this red stroke and remove the white portions of it. There are also some white portions at the top, so remove it as well. So once you have done it, we'll proceed to do the scripting for the bars. So the scripting follows quite closely with the red card. When green flag is clicked, now the bars appears. Okay, I want the bars again to hide first, so the bars will hide. Okay, and you'll hide for 2 seconds. Okay, after which the bars will show. Then, okay, the bars will go to the position -170 -15. Okay, and again the bars moves, alright, forever. So we're going to use the forever loop. Now the bars move slower than the card. So what it means is under motion, moves 10 steps. Instead of weight 0.1, we're going to use weight 0.15. So over here 0.15, and again if touching the edge, so this will be also inside. Sensing, touching the edge, the bars will again move back to this position here. So duplicate this and put it inside. Okay, you can see that the bars right now touches the edge, so we need to resize the bars a bit such that it doesn't touch the edge when you first initialize it. So this is how it works. Okay, next we'll proceed to do the scripting for the blue car. The blue car appears at the same location as the first car but appears and starts moving only 2.5 seconds after the first car has appeared. Alright, same location as the first car. So go to the blue car, again under costume, click on the fill tool, remove the white portions of it. Okay, so I'm going to resize this a bit. So let's do the scripting for the blue car. So when green flag is clicked, okay, again the blue car should be hiding first. Wait 2 seconds. Alright, after which I want the blue car to show. Okay, and the blue car appears at the same location as the red car, which is -190 -50. So we'll click on motion, go to -190 -50. After which, okay, now it says that the blue car, okay, starts moving only 2.5 seconds after the first car has appeared. So under the forever loop, okay, we want it to wait 2.5 seconds. So over here inside we'll put in a 2.5 seconds. Alright, and again under motion, you move 10 steps, wait 0.1. Alright, and if it touches the edge, you again go back to the position -190 -50, sensing, touching of the edge, change the mouse pointer here to the edge. Okay, the moment this happens, duplicate, you go back to this position. So this is, okay, how the blue car should appear. Alright, you wait 2.5 seconds, Alright, so these 2 by 5 seconds, it should be outside the forever loop. Okay, it should be outside the forever loop. You wait for 2 by 5 seconds before it starts moving. Alright, so yeah, this is how it should appear. The last thing we need to do is to do the scripting for the pink car. Now the pink car appears 2 seconds after the animation starts at this location. It moves towards the left all the time, goes back to the original location whenever it touches the edge and starts moving again. Okay, appears 2 seconds after the animation starts at 190 minus 115. So click on the pink car. Again, go to costume, click on the fill tool, click on this red stroke. Okay, the pink car, as you can see, it doesn't appear very nicely here, so we need to make some changes to it. So click on the pink car, right? Click on the fill tool, again click on the red stroke and remove the white portions of it. Now the pink car will be moving from right to left, so we need to click on this letter I there. Okay, and we need to make some adjustments to the pink car. Okay, so do make sure that the pink car is facing the other direction. So to do that, we actually make some adjustments here. Alright. Okay, so click on this flip icon that, okay, adjust the pink car such as facing the left direction. Once you have done that, we'll proceed to do the scripting. Click on scripts, and again click on when green flag is clicked. Alright, and currently when you click on green flag, I want you to hide. You then wait for 2 seconds. Okay, after which you'll show, and the pink car would appear at the location minus alright, or rather 190 minus 115. So click on motion, go to, so we are initializing it, 190 minus 115. Next we'll bring on the forever loop. Alright, the pink car will move 10 steps, weight 0.1. Alright, and again, if it touches the edge, it will go back to this location. So I'm going to duplicate this, put it inside. Okay, sensing, touching the edge. Okay, so let's click on green flag. Alright, road traffic in Singapore. Alright, so this is how, alright, it should look. Alright, once you have done it, proceed to, alright, save your work. Right, thank you for watching my video.